guys, in today's video you guys are gonna, well, to start off, you're gonna run with both my brothers to Menards. They're gonna get some wood. We're gonna take the spot where my toolbox is at, and we're gonna start building ourselves a transmission table so we have a nice clean space to do stuff on transmissions. You know, we have a transfer case here we're getting ready to rebuild, and just doing it on this wood and stuff, it's really a pain, and we need a good workspace. So we're gonna build it out of wood, and then we're gonna plate the top of it with metal and put drains in it and stuff. So yeah, the next time they catch up with it, you'll probably be at Menards. So we went to Menards and we picked up 8 2x4s and 2 pieces of plywood. Got some screws. Now we just gotta fit it all in here. Workbench is all done. Just took a couple hours to get it done, but it's nice, clean. So the chain on this transfer case that Dylan rebuilt, the chain in it was so loose that it was rubbing the case, and that's where all the racket was coming from. I don't think it matters. All right, guys, we got the bed ready to go back on. We got this rear end. We got everything done with the U-bolts. Got these made at a local alignment shop. If anyone needs to know the details on these because they want to lower their truck, just hit me up and I'll be sure to let you know. We got the all the fuel lines ready to go. Everything's good to go. We're gonna stick the bed back on for the final time, and at that point we are going to start working on the doors and get all that. That's what I'm talking about. Got them bad boys. We got the, for those of you guys that didn't know, which is probably gonna be all of you. Dylan, look at this right here. We are running a 5/8 suction line on the suction side of the pump. This is -10, also known as 5/8. So this is gonna go from the sump down to the inlet side of the air dog. So this will give us plenty of fuel flow. So we should be good to go there.
No, it's not.
We're out here getting her done, working on Mason's truck. Got 3 doors, the bumper, and the grill, roll pan. And that should be the last things we have, well, the tailgate. It's everything will be painted, we'll be ready to fully assemble the truck and start working on other stuff. It's been a long adventure. This is it's a lot of work. I don't know how Mason feels about painting trucks, and now he knows how I feel. It's a long process for someone that doesn't do it every day and is not set up for it. It's a very long process. So we're getting there, guys, and it's about Alright guys, we got the cylinder head pulled off of it. You can still see, if Mason will get his handy dandy light out for us, there's still a lot of cross hatching, still very visible in the cylinder walls. Looks like it's pretty much good to go. We're going to put a new head gasket on it, put all new gaskets in it, and paint the motor up. Didn't really like the red. We went ahead and pulled the injection pump back off. This is pretty much where we're going to leave it for right now. We got all of our parts over here nice and organized, put up safe, out of the dust, out of the way. Got the cylinder head all cleaned up, brake cleaned it down really good. Get it nice and clean so Bailey can stick it in the back of his truck. And he's going to take it to the machine shop. He doesn't really know exactly what route he's going to go with it as of right now. But we're probably just going to get it just resurfaced and with a good quality head gasket, throw it back together. We'll see. We got Mason's we put his wheels on his toolbox backwards, so we got it on some jacks, switching it around, putting the wheels on the right way so that way it's not a pain to push it around. We did get a new workbench built. I don't think I'm going to use this as a transmission table. It's not wide enough, and we've already just covered it with parts. This was much needed. I may build a duplicate one right there or right there. As far as the transmission table goes, I think we're going to just try to buy one that is on wheels that you can roll around, that already has drains built in it. They are pricey, but I think I know of a place local to us that has used ones, so we may go check that out and see what we can get. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys on the next one. Thanks.